Welcome back. Welcome back to the another live session, guys. An important day for our trading, especially coming up final GDP, unemployment claims, as well as Fed will speak later today, early in NOI session. So we should have quite a few instrument becoming very volatile today and tomorrow, last day of trading week, an important day. So guys, get ready for another exciting trading day. If you're enjoying the live session every day, don't miss out to like this stream, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. Thank you. And what we can see here on XAU USD. Okay, so we can see that there is on XAU USD, there is a massive drop on the lower time frame. It's a long-term bull market. So we can see that the market long-term picture is, if we look at the 4 hour, we can see that this is a bull market. If you look at the daily, also you can see that it's a bull market. And if we look at 30 minutes and the 15 minutes time frame, also you can see that it is a bull market. So lower time frame, we can see that it is a bullish market. What we can expect in this instrument, lower time frame price action, we will be looking for potential trading opportunity. We can see the lower time frame. If you look at the 1 minute locally breaking down, which is good for us to see that we might see that the market coming back to the order block. And let's see where it is heading. So if you look at the 4 hour, this is a complete bullish market structure from here, pretty strongly bull market. And if we look at the daily, we can see that daily price action, which is basically also bull market. Weekly bull market, monthly bull market, 4 hour, we can see that strongly bullish. And if we look at the 1 hour and lower time frame, looking at the 15 minutes chart and the lower time frame, look at the 1 minute, also you can see that it is a bull market. So in this bull market, we can see there is a local breakdown here. So you can see the market is forming series of lower high and lower low in this lower time frame. And what we can expect in this instrument on XAU USD for the market to drop to the support level here in this area. So we'll see where it is heading. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Gaza, welcome. Thank you very much. And DI, hello, welcome. Gaza, welcome. Ino, welcome. Island Cooking, Rose, hi again all. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Absolutely appreciate your support to the channel. And what we can expect at the moment, okay, you can see that lower time frame price action on XAU USD is dropping below the level. We'll see now also if you look at the euro dollar sideways little bit on the lower time frame. Gbpusd trend is nice at the moment. This instrument Gbpusd is bull market. We will be also looking at that one as well along with XAU USD, because Gbpusd, if we look at, we can see that this market from here breaking below, okay, to the support level. And okay, so this is a support level here on GJ, and with that, from this support we can see there is a bounce. It is a massive bullish engulfer with a strong liquidity grab. We have seen another bullish engulfer with another liquidity grab. So after back-to-back two bullish engulfer, we can see that Gbpusd move back to the upside, and we can see it's on a pullback. So with that in mind, what we can expect here in this instrument, you can see this is a crossover of 10 and 20 EMA, and with that crossover, what we can expect for the market to drop back down, which is we see that it's breaking from the structure. So break of structure for the BUS is absolutely important to see if it is coming to a zone where you can look for further entry opportunity. So if it is breaking below the structure, this is the 4 hour, and with that break of structure, expecting GJ to drop below where there is a liquidity. You can see there is a bullish engulfer here. Okay, so okay, so here 1 minute, we can see that it is a big drop pullback. So the market is forming series of lower high and lower low to see how the price is doing on GJ. Wanting to see that the price is breaking below to the support level here, especially there is, you can see after these two candles on GJ from this level, it's coming to in a significant support level. Okay, so which is very important support, and with that support, expecting for the market to drop and then to create a new lower low, or to reverse back again, which is also possible. But at the moment, I'm not fascinated that it's gonna reverse, because still didn't test here. But if you look at here on GJ, you can see that it's a clean one red move, which is basically a strong drop in that level. And with that drop, what we can expect on GJ for the price to retest and then to potentially reverse back to the upside. If you guys are enjoying the live session, I would appreciate your support to the channel. I see that views are going up. Thank you. And also likes. When you like, YouTube algorithm likes it also, which helps the channel to grow. Thank you. Okay, so here is looking at the 1 minute. We can see that 1 minute chart, it is pretty strongly bullish here. Okay, so here is from the 1 minute chart on GJ, we can see that it is a movement to the upside, and it might be a reversal call, or I would consider reversal if it try to break again. We see that there is a break of structure, but if it is forming any kind of reversal here, such as the double bottom or an inverted head and shoulder, we will be looking for entry opportunity on Gbpusd. Let's see where it is heading. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. Music. Okay, so XAU USD, we saw that the Gbpusd will be waiting for confirmation. We see that there might be a potential reversal. Here Gbpusd in a very good area because it's a bull market. If we look at the trend, okay, so this is the trend line on Gbpusd, and in that trending market, we can see this is support here. There's a massive bounce. There's another support, massive bounce. There's another support, bounce, support, bounce, support, bounce. So we can see that the market is in an uptrend, and at the moment in this area, what we can see from here, a potential bounce in that area. So here is what we can see, a local upside. Now if it return, then we might see going back to 193.36 level potentially. So yeah, there's news coming, as you know, that on dollar, which will definitely have an impact also on GJ. But I think that, so here I will be waiting for another break, and then if it breaks below again, okay, so if it breaks below, we can look for potential buying opportunity. Let's see where it is heading. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining the live session. And before I progress further, I would appreciate your support to the channel. You can see that this is a move, and expecting it to drop down further to this support. You can see that after this move, expecting it to break below, potentially forming an inverted head and shoulder, and then to trend to the upside. We'll see where it is heading. And based on that, we can look for entry opportunity after we see price action confirmation. Now, because you can see that if you look at the 1 hour, it's a complete breakdown. And after this complete breakdown, we can look for potential trading opportunity. Let's see where it is heading. Thank you. Welcome. And we can see it's trying to bounce from here, and I would like to see one more rejection. This is the 1 minute chart, and if we see that one more rejection towards the downside, forming that potential inverted head and shoulder, we can look for potential trading opportunity on Gbpusd. Let's see where it is heading. Okay, we'll see that XAU USD, we can see that movement, Gbpusd, dollar yen, and if we look at the XAU USD, we can see that this is where we're looking at the 4 hour. Okay, so XAU USD from the 4 hour, it is very strongly bull market at the moment. We can see there is a bullish engulfer followed by another bullish candle, and also there is a long wick at the top on XAUUSD. Now if we look at the 1 hour, we can see that from this support it's getting a rejection. So 30 minutes, the candle closing in 9 minutes time from this recording, we can see that there is a bounce. It is a very strongly bullish market. If we look at the 15 minutes and 5 minutes time frame, where you can see that the market is we can see here is forming series of higher low. Okay, so you can see here is forming series of higher low, and okay, so here, because it has broken from the structure from the 1 minute, I would like to see one more rejection potentially, which we could see as there is a news coming in just 10 minutes. Are you guys ready for the news to see how the market might be evolving? So so you can see on news will have an impact on Gbpusd, also euro dollar, because they are USD pairs. And so if you look at the euro dollar also, you can see this market is trending. Okay, we can see that euro dollar from the lower time frame, we can see that potential drop here on euro USD, and what we can see here, the market is bouncing in that area. XAUUSD also, we can see there is a rejection here. So looking at lower time frame, okay, so here what you can expect on XAUUSD for the market to break below and then to trend. If you look at the 4 hour here, the price is almost nearing to the support. Okay, so this is an important support. Okay, so here what we can see in this area, if you look at the 1 minute again, narrow doji formation, quite a few narrow dojis. See where it is heading. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. To see that it's preparing for From the 1 minute, we can see it's forming narrow candles, but it's still, I wouldn't be very impressed for a very strong bull move, as news is coming in 5 minutes. Once the news is published, we will be looking for any entry opportunity. Hello, guys. Ready for okay, here also the euro dollar, we can see that there is a, we didn't open that one. Okay, so XAUUSD, it's in a potentially bullish. We can see that euro USD also showing bullish. On euro USD, we can see there is a bounce from this level. Like to see here how the Gbpusd, talk about that as well. So Gbpusd, we can see that it has broken that that we expected, the breakout structure happen, and after this move it has done that breakout structure, and with that breakout structure, okay, what we can expect on GJ for the market to return back to the upside. See that where it is heading. And in the meantime, traders, absolutely appreciate your support to the channel. If you haven't done yet, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press the notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. 2 minutes remaining for the news to come up, and then we can look for a potential trading opportunity as soon as the data has been released. What's your view on the data as well, guys? I want to ask you. So let me start a poll before the data. What's your view on XAUUSD? What's your view on XAUUSD? So what do you think, that bullish? Bearish. Okay, so I have given a poll to you guys. So let me know what's your view on that. Awesome. Thank you very much. Okay, that's a massive bounce. That's a massive bounce. I think data has come out to be, let's see what's happening with the data. And we can see that coming has come out to be, the data here is 3%, was forecast was 3%, actual is 3%. So if we look at the forecast on unemployment claims, it's 224 forecast. That's a very, very good data has for unemployment claims. That has definitely had an impact on DXY. If we look at, yeah, that's a huge boost on DXY. Now, how does that impact at the XAU USD? We can see that downside. So with the, if we look at the 4 hour, let's look at the 4 hour on XAU USD. You can see the XAU USD. Okay, so massive drop. Euro dollar also had a drop. GBP completely upside. So as expected, GJ is bullish. So XAU USD, we can see that from the 1 minute, it has dropped below to the support. Okay, so you can see euro dollar also, GBP bouncing back. Among all of them, we see that GJ is very strongly bullish. And if we look at XAU USD, we'll look to see if there is any opportunity here. Form that head and shoulder, but I will still be looking to see if it is bouncing back up. If we look at the daily, let's look at the daily price action on XAU USD. There's a daily level here. You can see this is the daily support, and from the 4 hour, 1 minute, you can see that break. And if you look at the 4 hour, we can see that almost to the support level. Now the way the price action is formed on the lower time frame, if you look at the 15 minutes, Okay, now here we see that after break it just tested the order block here. What I'm going to do on XAUUSD, because there is a massive breakdown, let's see if it is potentially breaking below or again bouncing back up. At what level we can look at potential entry, and also the GJ is just bounced to the upside. I'll be waiting for, if you look at the XAUUSD, you can see it's dropping down now. If it is breaking below the daily support, which gonna be a very important zone that we can look for potential trading opportunity. Okay, so here it's trying to bounce, and therefore what we can expect here, I will be putting a buy stop above this level. Someone of you asked about the buy stop meaning. I will be also explaining later. So let's place the buy stop here above this level, so which is 60 pip stop loss, targeting to the neckline of this level. So if it drops down, then no. If it is bouncing back up, then we'll be entering into the trade, which is the buy stop. So looking at buy stop, so you're placing buy stop on 2676. Stop loss at 2670.41. And TP target will be at 2683. So it will be 0.05. The risk is very low. It's important that guys, you keep a very low risk, which is the key to be profitable as a trader. So if it is dropping down, then we will keep waiting, or maybe if we need to readjust, we will be readjusting. Okay, so 60 pip SL, we are if it is breaking below, then we might readjust the entry, but at the moment, if it bounce back up, then only will be entering from here with a buy stop. Let's see how far it goes. And yeah, absolutely appreciate your support to the channel, guys. Don't hesitate to smash the like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Euro dollar, we can see that with the news also there is a downside on the lower time frame, and I'll need to look at how far it is going. GBPJPY XAUUSD, we can see that a downside. GBPJPY also, if we look at the euro dollar XAUUSD. Okay, so now we can see some upside coming. Where is our entry? Entry here is 2676.314. Stop loss at 2670.418. And profit level at 2683.69. So this is where our entry, buy stop. If the market changes trend, even we might see deeper drop to the downside, but at the moment still we can see that it's still moving in that direction. Music, want to change it. Okay, so here we can see some bounce coming, and so with that bounce, we'll be waiting to see how much the price is, how far the price is moving. Okay, so buy stop here, waiting for the market to move. Thank you for joining the live session. If you still didn't subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate if you do so. Will be available. There is a lot of content for you for free. So if you also join the Telegram channel, link in the description, also you can stay up to date with all the strategies, tools, and educational content that we are posting every single day. We'll see that how far it is going. expecting for the market to bounce and then to create a new higher high. Okay, we'll be waiting for the trigger. So my trade is triggered on XAU USD. Okay, so expecting this is a bounce and expecting to bounce. We are on the trade running in. Okay, so here we can see that there was a massive drop. From the 5 minutes, the market is moving back to the upside, expecting it to move up and then to go back to the resistance line to create a new higher high. Currently, we are on the trade with that bounce. If you're wanting to see that it's again a breaking below, we'll be waiting to see that the market is bouncing back up. Okay, here is now if the market trend changes, you should be able to see that potential bounce. On the price action doesn't look very strongly bullish, but I'm still expecting to reverse from that level. Okay, here is a long bullish candle with a long wick at the top. Here we can expect for the market to revert back to the upside. We'll see how far it is going up. We want to see it's bouncing back up. So this is a nearest level of resistance here. We might be able to see if it is bouncing here and this level, we can expect some pip to gain here around 50 to 58 pip if it bounce back there. Now we want to see that it's being able to break above. Thanks guys for all the support, and yeah, absolutely appreciate your support to the channel. If you give a thumbs up, helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. The bias is still to me to the potentially to the upside, unless big boys got very hungry. So you can see some upside here. Let me know how are you doing, guys, and also you can see that there is a okay, we can see some improvement. Thank you. Yep, going up. Just go in the direction. All right, so here is a bullish candle, a massive bullish candle. With that massive bull candle, expecting for the market to go up to the resistance line. So here we can see some movement here, some pip gaining, 35 pip. You can see that here is 32 pip up, expecting it to move back up further. Guys with me? So you can see some improvement in this is our first trade. We will be looking to see some more opportunity later today, so don't miss out, guys. Stick till the end of the live session. Also there will be giveaway the strategy as well as mentorship. One lucky winner can get access to the academy with all the strategies, to learn all the strategies and to trade with me. So as Paul will speak, the market will definitely have significant volatility. We'll see how far it might be going. Now at the moment, here is the narrow doji formation. Okay, we can see there is a two back-to-back narrow doji, and wanting to see that it's moving in the major direction of the trend. Okay, so this is another green candle formation from the 1 minute. Still not closed on the 1 minute, but expecting it to move up and then form that potential bullish candle. If we see this one is closing as a green candle, that might lead that next one to bounce, or you can see that it's trying to break below, which is not good. I'm expecting it to return back to the upside. What you can see here, you can see local bullish market structure in that area. Okay, so it is a narrow doji. Okay, so here is a narrow doji formation. Okay, expecting for the market to bounce up and then to create a higher high. Okay, now almost nearly again come back to the entry. Okay, wanting to see it's moving up, and yeah, we can see a trend. expecting this is where you can see the market basically okay, it's not going very in our favor. Let's see if we will keep that trade or we will be closing it up. um Come on. Now it's coming back down again. It's very weird. So after reaching the resistance, it started to break below. Now we need to see what it is, dropping back again or it's bouncing back up again. Okay, here is it's a little unfortunate. It's just returned back. I'm still on the trade with a very tight stop loss, so it happens sometime. Still on it, but the rest we need to leave it on the lock. So if it is returning, then we might see that going back up to the resistance or trending. Like you can see the yesterday, just from this level we saw that a bounce. Now today, let's see if it is bouncing or just melting down. It'll depend on. Five minutes, this is a strong bearish candle. Now the next one is going up to the resistance or trend continuation to the downside. We need to look at, but wait to see if there is any change in momentum. I think probably we will see that one. Most likely we will see the stop loss most likely, but waiting to see if it is basically reversing from here, which is one probability to happen, less likely. Anything can happen in trading. You can see that the market yesterday also, after coming nearing to the stop loss, it just had a reversal. We might see trend continuation. So still there is still hope, but less. It might break in that direction. You guys still hopeful that it's gonna bounce? No, we're stopped out. So we stopped out on that. We lost 70 pip. 60 pip. We'll see that if it is because the market has broken below again. We'll see either if it is trending down or moving back up again. So there is a gap open. We might see now potentially towards the downside. Bearish price action, we see strong bearish, and with that bearish price action we might see now the market that's really, we might see now again coming back to that support. and we'll take a break for 30 seconds. We'll come back. The market is almost coming to the daily support now, and from that daily support I think that we might see potential bounce. We'll see that. uh, take a break for 30 seconds. We'll come back, guys. Make sure you stick till the end. You'll see what happened. We'll wait for further entry opportunity to see where the market is heading. And with the 1 minute, the market structure suddenly here we saw that this is an very unusual breakdown. It rarely happens, but we can see that happened, that breakdown. Here what we can see, lower time frame, the market trying to break below. It may trend towards the downside further. We can see there is a complete breakdown to the support. So you can see here it is forming series of high or low. Okay, so lower time frame, we can see after this breakdown, we will be waiting for potential further entry opportunity to see where it is heading. Hello, welcome. Thank you very much. Thanks very much, Rose. Hello again. Good morning, good afternoon. Thank you for joining the live session. Which time frame is this one? 1 minute on currently 5 minutes looking at, but we are looking at say USD 1 minute chart. Hope you are good. Please press the like button as an appreciation of coach and he's teaching every day. Welcome. Thanks for your support. Good day. What will be impact of unemployment claim on gold? Thank you. We'll be looking at that. Thank you. Inverted head and shoulder frame, JJ, 1 minute. Yeah, we will be looking at that. Shepherd, coach, I have a question. Which one is the strongest reversal pattern or continuation pattern on my instrument? Had both, so I don't know what to do on trade for me today. So I have a question. Which one is strongest reversal pattern or continuation pattern? Okay, so there's no such thing as strongest reversal or continuation pattern. This is all about, like understanding the momentum in the trend, so which is the key aspect of becoming a profitable trader is to understand the momentum in the market. Okay, so if you look at, for example, a market which is strongly bullish, for example, the price is above 10 EMA, the candles are bigger, that is where you'll see that is where the market basically in a strong uptrend or downtrend. For example, here you can see it's a strong momentum. But in terms of reversal pattern, the strongest, that if I want to say the strongest reversal pattern is where there is a probability for, let's say, the reversal pattern form on a monthly, weekly, or daily resistance after a breakout or breakdown. That is where the strongest area to look at. So that's what I would say in terms of reversal pattern. So you can see the 4 hour, you can see here the market in a XAUUSD in an area where here it might form a reversal pattern potentially here. If it form, here I would like to again place a buy stop in that area near to the 20 EMA, because if it is reversing from here, we could see again potential upside potentially. So risk management is key. Only 0.5% or 1% risk is allowed for any possibility. So if you look at here, I have placed a buy stop at 2664.96. So it's a buy stop. So buy stop at 2664.96. Stop loss 2659.27. TP target at 2677.11. So buy stop at putting at 2664.967. Stop loss 2659.27 and TP target at 2677.117. Again, very smaller risk. So I place the buy stop again on XAUUSD. So if it managed to break to the upside, then we will be entering with around 60 pip stop loss again. So buy stop. Waiting for the market to bounce. If it bounces, then we will be entering. Otherwise, we might see another wave of drop here. Or it may just reverse. It may reverse, which if it is reversing, then we are on the trade. So I place the buy stop at 2664.94. Okay, you can see that I'm got triggered. So the trade is triggered with me. So got triggered. The trade is triggered with me. Let me see here. Might find. We might see bounce potentially. Which is good to see that we might see potential bounce. But risk management is key, guys. As I mentioned, anything can happen in trading. Anytime the market just go the other way, like the previous one. So here, this one we have a TP target for 124 pip. So if it is going to the TP, then we will be able to get the profit plus the previous one. So risk management, that's why very important. Not more than 1% risk, or not more than 0.5% risk, which is very important to be profitable as a trader. Right, so let's see where it is heading. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you smash the like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. See where it is heading. And okay, because the market has dropped a lot in this uptrend, I'm expecting it to remain bullish to see where it is heading. Are you guys hopeful about it? Okay, so if it reversed, then we might see the market is keep pushing high continuously. If it reverses from here, thank you. Awesome. We can see that the market is pushing high. Wanting to see that it's reversing. If it reverses, then that's gonna be awesome. We can keep some pip, unless it's breaking below again. Here is a double bottom we can see on the 1 minute. Thank you, guys. Let's keep up. So here is long narrow candle formation. I'm still hopeful to reverse. If it is reversed, then we could see in a trend to this level or above. Okay, here is she's here. See where it is heading. Now we can see 5 minutes closing. Now this 5 minutes close, would like to see that of closing a potentially a long week candle. Then the next one we can expect it to return. So we are on the go. Thank you guys and girls for joining the live session. I absolutely appreciate your support to the channel. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask using the live chat. Okay, we can see some upside bias. Okay, here if it is reversing, then we should be able to see a return from this level. So we are seeing that at entry again. From this support, okay, so we see a narrow candle forming on the 1 minute, which if it is closing as a green, closes as a red. Okay, so we can see again another downside here. Okay, so it grabbed liquidity from here as well. How far the planning for the price to drop? But I'm still so we see here is breaking below. Now we have a last chance to see if it is reverting or this is the 1 minute. Again drop to the support. This is the last candle that we can expect it to return. Okay, we can see primary rejection. Now this rejection candle will determine either it is a rejection or correction. So let's see what happened. Okay, like one we did the day before yesterday, we're still running in. Now if it is a reversal, we could see straight bouncing back to the upside, nearing to our entry. Okay. Now this is a crucial level that we are almost at entry. Another trade that is running. Okay, so here we can see the market is almost at entry. Now, if it is reversing from here, then we are lucky to see that the market going up to our TP potentially. Being patient is key. You know that trading is all about patience. So when you are patient, you will be able to always stay ahead in the game of trading. So that's why successful trader are those who are patient always in their approach in the market. Key is to be patient. Now again, I'm relying on this 1 minute candle, this one to form kind of doji or narrow candle, so the next one can facilitate to the upside. Okay, here is let's see the 5 minutes. Okay, 1 minute candle expecting to return to the upside. Very tight stop loss here. If it breaks below, we will be out of the trade, but if it remain bounce upside, we will be able to take this trade to the upside. I'm holding it to, expecting that the next one to return, the market to reverse from here, which could be, could not be. So the key here is to do proper risk management, which is must to become profitable as a trader. Okay, here is what we can see from this doji. The market is potentially moving back to the upside, expecting the way the structure has formed, which might lead the price in both directions. You can see again trying to form a red candle, which is not a good idea to see. Okay, so two dojis formation. I'm pretty so we'll see 5 minutes price action. Not a very strongly. The market is like, sometime moving in an annoying fashion, little bit sideways and then dropping and then sideways. So on a support, still on this trade, it's giving us a little bit of hard time. To see either it is reversing or dropping down. So it almost reached that peak level where there is a support. It's a very narrow area. Okay. It took us again out of the trade. So it might go for bigger drop. Or just another manipulation. Maybe just another manipulation. And there is a here, this 1 minute candle is a also bearish candle. You can see the 5 minutes complete break of support. So I wouldn't take any risk at the moment, as we two trades just gone completely the other way. We'll be waiting for better opportunity, and as we are almost nearly to the end of the live session, I'll be going for a giveaway for today, and then we'll be coming on live again tomorrow. So I'm announcing the giveaway here. So liquidity is the keyword for entering into the competition for the giveaway. So you can write liquidity to enter into the competition of the giveaway for today. While we are looking at here on XAUUSD, it may just keep pushing down here. At the moment we can see the market trend is down. So here either we'll get a reversal from here or may continue to drop. So you can write the liquidity to enter into the competition for the giveaway for today. Thank you, and let's keep pushing the market to see where it is heading. Thank you. And you can see that here the market is just trying to break in that direction to the downside. Thank you guys. And you can write liquidity to enter into the competition for the giveaway for today. The market just sometimes doesn't go in the direction that we expect, and that's why we can see that on today's trades, just not going in the direction. So we might see a deeper drop here. Okay, so in the meantime, guys, you can write liquidity on the live chat to enter into the competition for today's giveaway. Okay, so here pretty strong breakdown, a complete breakdown of the support now. You guys haven't entered into the competition yet, you can write down the liquidity on the live chat to enter into the competition of the giveaway for today. So this is looks to me that fake drop on XAU USD. It may now try to potentially okay, so if it is grabbing more liquidity, we might see now potentially reversal. We may see that. I think it's on a potential reversal. We see 21 eligible members for the giveaway. You can guys write on the live chat the liquidity to enter into the competition for today's giveaway of the liquidity concept as well as the mentorship. XAU USD, I think it's gonna potentially reverse now after grabbing all those liquidity. We may see the 4 hour, we can see that this was a massive drop, and trying to bounce. We can enter okay, so in the meantime, while we are looking at the giveaway, I will be entering a third trade on XAU USD with the same with the market entry from here with a tight stop loss below this structure, targeting to that level, which will be 3 to 1 reward to risk, which basically should give us all the trade that we, if it is bouncing back to the upside, we will be able to cover all of them that we have opened in the past. So basically here it's on the 4 hour support. I am 58 pip stop loss. Again, I am entering buy. So I've opened again buy on XAUUSD. As if you guys look at it, you can see it's a um, on the 4-hour support. Because this market is overextended, if it reverse on XAUUSD, I'm expecting it to return straight back to the resistance line or even further. Anything can happen. As you can see, back to back two trade did not work out, so the risk we need to take a very little in case the market is not going in our favor. We can cover any loss all the time with proper risk management. That's the main goal of becoming a trader, is to look at the risk management and then trading based on risk management, putting a stop loss with a tight stop loss. That's only the way to become profitable as a trader. So the concept here is that if we look at the 4-hour, you can see it's a complete one red candle to the support. Therefore, I'm expecting it to return back to the resistance line, uh, and then to revert back to the resistance line before coming down or moving up further. So third trade on XAUUSD currently. This is a huge breakdown on XAUUSD to the liquidity zone. If you look at the ATR, this more than 2.5 ATR. After such a big ATR, the market trend should be to remaining to the upside. See where it is heading. And also stay tuned for the competition. You can write liquidity. We found 29 eligible members to enter into the competition. Now this trade that I'm running, we might extend a little bit to the live session for this trade. I'm expecting it to reverse. If it reverse, we might see straight going back to the resistance. I have set TP at this point, and if it does, then we are on. Let's see where it is heading. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Like we can see a potential reversal here and holding it because long-term trend is up. So if it reverses, we might see a straight bounce. Awesome. We can see some potential upside. Okay, so this one, we will wait for, I think we might see that potential reversal, so I would like to hold it. And in the meantime, let's see how many of you have entered. 30 members in the liquidity candle, liquidity concept strategy giveaway, as well as the mentorship. So I'm rolling it up now. So I have rolled it. Johnny, the Greek flyer, is today's winner of liquidity candle strategy. Johnny, welcome. And you can use the website to let us know that you are a winner. We can send it to you in your email. Congratulations for becoming a member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So while we are looking at that, let's see currently what's happening with XAU USD. This is the third trade on XAU USD. Previously, we had 120 pip minus total. Want to see that this one is giving all back, including the profit. So if it is reversing, should be able to see potential bounce, because it's a pretty strong drop to the support. I'm expecting it to go back to the resistance line, which gold, XAUSD does more often. Okay, so expecting anything can happen. You can see it's coming for another pullback here again. If it is a long-term reversal, then we might see a different story. Thank you guys, and okay, so here, if it is this is a long-term support, there is a manipulation here. So now if the market is come on, really still not being impressed that it's gonna drop, though we still not seeing a very strong momentum. Okay, we're waiting to see. Waiting to see. Okay, wanting to see that the market is in that direction. Now I want to hold it to see the full TP potentially hit if it is reversing. If it is reversing, then this is the neckline of the previous. If you look at here, you can see this is a support here. So this is an order block, and if it is reversing, then I'm expecting it to go back to order block to 2683 level, which is an order block. Okay, what we can see here, massive momentum. Expecting massive momentum, not yet. Slow market I don't like really. I want to see that bounce. Are you guys ready for another bounce? Okay, so we can see slowly trying to build up the momentum. Here the main goal, guys, is not to win every trade but to win big. That's how one become long-term profitable trader. Without risk management, which is not possible, so it is key that always you do the risk management, trade with the trend, and then wait for the better setup to come to you. Or you can see that here is a potential breakout. I'm holding it for the full TP so that the previous two trade coming back, and also the next one is coming, and that's how trading is. You can't expect to win all trade, but wait for the big one to give you everything with proper risk management. There's no other way to become profitable. Risk management, wait for the bigger win, put the stop loss, and then if not going in your favor with the tight stop loss, cut the trade straight away, let it go, and then wait for the bigger one. Keep doing it over and over again. Long term, it's easy to be profitable if you do that way. Okay, so you need to have a strategy. Of course, strategy is very important. I'm trading with based on a strategy, and you need to have a strategy, which is absolutely important. If you're not having a strategy, then I would recommend you to learn a strategy. Now also you can visit the website, as our academy website, www.forextradingwizard.com, to learn the liquidity concept, how I'm trading based on the smart money trading approach. Also you'll be learning how I'm trading. If you're in the academy, you can click join now button and then become part of the trading community. Also you can find link below this video in the description. So here is I want to see bigger candles. Candle is still smaller. Anyway, if I want, always might not happen, isn't it? If you guys are ready for Friday as well coming up. Also, there is a big news. Here is so far showing very good movement so far, which is good for us to see that. So, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, I would recommend you to do so. Smash the like button, and also um, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't done yet, press that notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. Okay, here is again another potential rejection, and now if it is moving up, so this is what I'm expecting it to go back up to this resistance line, which is very important to see that. Thank you. So far, so good in the direction. Market trying to bounce back up. And to see that it's moving back up, which is good news to see. We can see movement to the upside, which is good news to see. Want to see that it's bouncing up and then trending in the direction. Okay, narrow doji and expecting it to move back to the upside. Do you want to see that it's breaking below again? We are running in good profit on that, and so if we look at from here, we can see we are up 80 pip. First two trades we had 120 pip minus. So if this one is going up to the full, that if we can take it to the full, then it's gonna be to around 200 pip. The key here is to be patient, doing the risk management, and then trading with the trend. So that's the main key to be profitable as a trader. So what he's trying to do here, breaking below, why? So narrow candle formation, but see that a doji. So guys, so trading based on the liquidity concept. If you guys haven't yet explore the concept of liquidity, you can find a link below this video in the description. Visit the website and then click join now button. Explore more about the concept of liquidity to understand how you're trading based on the smart money approach in the market. The previous trade that I had to close. Very interesting. Okay, so here is just trying to revert back for a pullback. There is a doji here. Very interesting price action, guys. Waiting for upside potentially to move back. Holding it for a further upside bias. Okay, here we can see some bearish pressure, but after this bearish pressure, expecting it to move back to the upside. I still expecting to trend to the upside. I'm still expecting to see that how it is going, and okay, here what you can see is that the market trying to bounce to the upside. An invited drop. What I'll do here, guys, is that I'll just move the stop loss at entry so that we can, you don't have to bear further any loss. I will move the stop loss at entry, and we'll leave the trade to solve by itself. If it is, breaking below here, then we will be out break even, because I don't want to close this trade halfway, because then we will not be able to cover the previous trades, which is important to have a bigger reward as the risk is fully managed. So it's very important that you do the risk management as expected. So I've moved the stop loss at entry, which is now here. If it drop here, then we will be exiting the straight break even. That means that we might see, in that case, bigger drop. Then we can't do anything about it. If it is not coming to the entry, then we will be holding the trade to the TP level here. Okay, so which will be a bigger win if it moves, which possibility there is a possibility to happen, that one as well. So with that being said, guys, the Johnny is today's liquidity handle. These sessions I do come on live twice, also coming on live twice tomorrow. In the meantime, if you guys have any question, don't hesitate to ask. With that being said, thank you very much for joining this live session. It was much pleasure to have some time with you. We'll be holding this trade for full movement either to the TP or SL. Let me know that at entry. I will keep you updated on the free Telegram channel as well. I'm expecting it to go back up to the resistance to the full TP target. So with that said, thank you for joining the live session. I'll see you again trading live together. Until then, stay well, stay happy.